If you are in Makarska, it's really hard to miss the Biokovo Mountains, as it towers a good 1500 meters over Makarska, with its highest peak, Sveti Jure, being 1762 meters high. You can easily find your way up to the mountain top by your own car, taxi or hiking. The satisfaction from the view you'll get is definitely worth a 45-minute drive. Last year they even built a new viewing platform on the edge of the mountain, and it's called Skywalk. One of the most notable places to visit is Botanical Garden Kotisins. It is just 3 kilometers away from Makarska and it is very accessible while hiking. It is an integral part of Biokovo Nature Park, founded in the 19th century for scientific observation and research. Today, due to its isolation and specific conditions, the garden is home to many endemic plant species. If you have time, you can contact some of the local mountain houses and stay here overnight.